So, Mr. Jones, as you know, polar reversals take place in every 100,000 years,
Roughly. Yeah.
roughly. And do you know why that happens?
Um, well, it would follow. It would follow from logic that the reversal occurs because the directions of the currents reverse.
Yes.
Now, why that is, I don't know. I don't know why the charged molten lava would reverse its direction of flow. I don't know that.
Okay. Well, scientists have discovered that they understood that polar reversals take place from a certain theory
Okay.
about how when they look at certain rocks, they figured out that at that time period when the rock was formed, it aligned to the certain direction at which the pole was aligned to.
Right.
And when they discovered that, it was opposite to what it is right now. So that's
You're talking
how
about the remnants, right? The
Yes.
remnants, right?
that's how they discovered that polar reversals take place.
Right.
Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah. When the molten lava, I guess, which forms igneous rock, when it's in the molten form, the electrons are free to move about, and they align themselves, or they align their dipoles, their magnetic dipoles. They line up with the Earth's magnetic field. Now, when the rocks solidify, that is set in place. It becomes sort of a record, a history of the magnetic field at that location for that rock.
Okay. So, as also at the same time, they discovered that the ridges, and when they grow apart,
All right.
certain thickness within it let us know that it aligned to a certain way.
Right, the ocean ridges.
Ocean ridges.
So the ocean ridges move apart at a certain rate, and scientists have been able to use that rate of ridges moving to tell how long there was between the reversals. You've got one part of the ridge here with all the electron dipoles in one direction, and you've got another part of the ridge with them the other way, and you can measure the distance between those, and you know how much time went by. It's a little bit more complicated than that, but that's pretty much it,
Okay.
simplified.
Dr. Jones.